Friday.
It is Friday all day.
You've been missing in action. Everybody gonna forget what you look like. Hey, y'all got it full in here again.
Yeah, we have a bunch of good deals going on right now. We just come out of our mega meeting for the year, so
Mega meeting.
that's it.
Sounds fancy.
It's like the biggest meeting of the year. Yeah. Other than Expo, it's probably the biggest meeting of the year. So
What?
it's usually when we can load up on good deals and everything else. So
What kind of good deals y'all get at the meeting?
we got pliers on good deal, ratchets. We've got some ratchets where you buy the ratchet, you get some mid-length sockets for free.
Nice.
There was some scanner deals there. There was deals on a whole bunch of stuff. So we haven't got everything.
Free tools, though.
Yeah,
it's hard to beat that.
Yeah, everybody likes to buy one get one free, right?
Well, when y'all gonna get the hot shots in?
Middle of August, I think is what they was telling us.
That's kind of what I'm waiting on, is to see how them work.
Yeah, we have several pre-sold. Just having one on here so people could play with that one and see what all it is.
Yeah.
We have a lot of people anxious for them to be released, so I'm ready for those to come in. I'm also ready for the new stubby.
Oh yeah,
the compact, I guess.
Or whatever it's called.
Yeah, the super small, 1/4 and 3/8. I'm ready for those.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a waiting game on that. We got to see it. Now we just need to get them in. That way we can start selling them. We also had deals on the groove wallets.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, I'd go blank when it's time to talk about it, but
well, y'all got plenty of socks too.
yeah, we got a whole drawer full of socks.
That's good.
That was at a couple meetings ago, and they're just now coming in. So that whole top drawer of that flag box is nothing but socks.
Wow.
So plenty of socks. I do have a new tool to talk about today, though.
Okay.
It is a rechargeable soldering iron. Now, it's not on the small side, but it is a good one. 1,382 degrees in 10 seconds.
Wow.
Hands-free magnet, so it can be hands-free. It has a stay-on switch. That way, when you do use the magnet. So I'm gonna cut it off right quick, because like I said, 1,382 degrees in 10 seconds.
Is it electric or butane?
It's electric. It's a rechargeable. So within 10 seconds.
Wow.
Runs for 1 hour on a complete charge, and while it's on, it does display the battery. So as you can see, we haven't recharged it, but
nice.
and then there's the hands-free magnet there.
That's
so like
cool.
I said, it's not on the smaller side, so it's not going to be like, you know, your tight areas that you can really have to maneuver in there. But everybody likes to ask when they're looking for a soldering iron, does it get as hot as the Milwaukee? Because you know the Milwaukee is bulky, but it gets hot like quick.
Yeah.
They got a really good soldering iron. So this one does get hot quick. Does have the hands-free magnet, like I said, stay on switch. We've had them in the past where you had to hold the switch on for them to stay warm. This one you don't. So that's really gonna come in handy with a torch. Soldering there. And then I use that one for melting plastics
So
back
it comes
together.
with 3 different soldering tips.
Yep, 3 different soldering tips. You get to pick your flavor.
I guess that one's just for like heat shrink, maybe.
Yeah, heat shrink. I mean, whatever you need to melt, I guess. But light your cigarette.
That's what I was gonna say. It looked like a cigarette lighter.
That's what she said. She said it looked like a cigarette lighter.
A lot of people ain't old enough to remember those in cars.
No.
You ever stick your finger to one of them, you'll remember.
Everybody got burnt one time.
Yeah.
One time. And whether it was sitting there looking at it, and then when it wasn't quite glowing, you thought that you could grab it. Yeah, that's not true either. It was hot, and it stayed hot for a while.
You remember when you was little, like, I know somebody in your family did it. You could see them. They'd stick it in there, and when it pop out, they'd hold it closer to their face where they could feel it.
Yeah.
You know, to see if it was hot before they tried to light their cigarette. Had one of my cousins do that. One of my other cousins took it, hit his hand, it stuck to his lip.
Ooh. That was a fight coming there. I wouldn't have wanted to be there that day. But if you got soldering to do, that's really going to make it a lot easier as far as the hour battery time.
Mm-hmm.
For the size of it, that's good. I think we saw in our other ones about 25 to 30 minutes, which seems like a long time for soldering wires, but depending on how many wires you're soldering, like we had a guy the other day telling us about drilling through the firewall. Well, he messed up and actually hit the wiring harness, so he had several he had several wires to fix back. So something like that, I'm sure it wasn't fun. I'm sure it was an uncomfortable position trying to wire all those in.
You know it, dude.
If you've ever worked underneath the steering wheel, you know, you need a chiropractor after that, but it is what it is. So we do have those on deal. Like I said, we got our snap ring pliers. To me, that's my favorite snap ring pliers there. A lot of people like the ones that you can swap back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
But I like these. I haven't really found a set that swap back and forth that I really like a whole lot. I mean, they're good.
Right.
I just like these here.
What?
And of course, we got all kind of Milwaukee deals going on. Oh yeah, here we go. These are the ones we use doing our rebuilds for our ratchets. So nice spring design there.
That spring loaded is nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
I was worried about we've talked about it before with the smooth grip here, whether or not they will get greasy and stuff like that. I haven't had any complaints. I can see where it would happen.
Right.
You know, the Nipix has the texture, but they're harder to keep clean. So some guys like these for the ease of cleaning. Some guys like those for the sure grip on it. So
I do like that slick for cleaning. It is a lot easier to get them back clean for sure.
Yep. The ratchet deal is right there. I don't know how many. Some people took more advantage of others. I think we got 10 sets of these, so we got plenty. But you buy the ratchet, you get the mid-length sockets for free. So
that's a good deal. Can't beat that.
Most people think these are all the same here.
Mm-hmm.
They are not the same. So what we've done is is for the body clips, and then you have the electrical disconnect in the green, and you got the like the evac lines and stuff like that for these here. So if you see these colors, people tend to want to, and we
give me all of them in blue.
Yeah,
or all of them in purple.
Yeah. It's like they're different colors so that you know what you're grabbing. And people will come on the truck and they'll be like, all right, I want the purple one. It's like, okay, what are you doing with it? I'm gonna do fuel lines. It's like, nope, not the right one. You're gonna have the blue one. No, I want purple. Well, I'm sorry, purple's not the right one. So just a quick identification. We do fall into that to where we try to you see a lot of people buying one color of ratchet, screwdrivers, pliers, I mean purple pliers there, I mean flashlights. We have some people that go to the extreme with it. Then you have some people that like to have all their 1/4 inch one color, 3/8, that way they can go and they can grab exactly what they're looking for real quick.
If you had 800 colors, everybody would want them.
Everybody would want at least one, right?
So, well, y'all got some goodies today.
Yeah, we got some more stuff coming in, so I'll be excited when that comes in, but gotta find a place to put it, so probably gonna rearrange the tool truck a little bit. But
ooh, fun stuff. Fun stuff. Lots of fun stuff. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Like always, hit that thumbs up, check over for merchandise, cool tools and discount codes over here, and if you're not subscribed, take your finger and click that button. Y'all have a great weekend. See ya.